Maybe I noticed that IU really didn't mean anything. So the little guy mustered up the courage to approach him again. Because recently, Primary 1 has been staying at home by himself. Always turned into a mummy for no reason. So Bermuda took him to school. But the little one always wants to get out of the bag. Was discovered. Sure to cause unnecessary trouble. After class, Bamu made 3 chapters with Primary 1. When he's outside, he has to disguise himself as a doll and can't move. The little guy strictly follows the promise with him. Just when Bermuda was about to put him in the drawer, I couldn't stop sneezing. Little one's voice happened to be overheard by a female classmate, Motegi. It was the first time he'd seen a sneezing doll. I couldn't help but ask again and again curiously. Bamu, who is guilty of being a thief, can only lie and say that he just sprayed. Sneeze by yourself. But Motegi still kept staring at the little one. I think this doll is really cute.